Okay, so I was putting this back on and I just happened to look in the camera and I'm like, it's lace right here, y'all. Okay, I can see it right here a little bit, but I cannot see. That is so weird. Like, you can barely see it's there. Like, I know it's there, but I really can't even see it unless I turn a certain way. Like, I can see it a little bit right there. I can see it right here. But I don't see anything right here or on this side. That is amazing balls. Someone who's actually ordered from LuvMe Hair, and they're saying that the hair is really good and you should try it. So here we are trying the LuvMe Hair. So I got the box today. So it comes in this purple box here, and it's very pretty, and I love this really bright purple color. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and let you guys know what's inside of the box itself. Okay, so here we have the hair itself, and it comes in this purple bag. So let's see what else we have in this box. Oh, they sent me some curling irons. Let's see. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helen, the founder of LuvMe Hair. That's cute. They send you a wig cap. Oh, this is cute. A little pouch, and what's inside? We have a comb. We have bobby pins. We have LuvMe Hair usage method. What is this? Oh, a hair wax stick. Tweezers. A LuvMe clip, and not really sure what this is. Not sure. Okay. And then they have a little booklet that, let's see, it gives us the return information, how to care for the hair, products, questions, and answers. Great. Okay, so this hair is very thick. And I'm just rubbing my hands through it, and it goes straight through with no problem, no tangles. I like that. I don't wear wigs a lot, but I have worn a lot of sew-ins. So the quality of hair is very important. Exact price, oh, that's pretty. But I like this. This is very thick. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm not a wig person. So I'm going to get a friend of mine who is a wig person to explain to me what am I supposed to do. So far, without even me putting it on, I like it. I like it, like it, I like it. That is beautiful. I like that. Okay. This is the part that I'm a little bit worried about because I don't know what I'm doing. So I need to cut off my ear part, but when I'm putting the wig cap on, I can feel the band is really close to my ear, like really close. Like, this is my ear. Well, let me see. This is my ear. This is the band. So ear band, ear band, ear band. So it's really, really close, and I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. So I'm going to clip some of this hair back just a little bit. And I'm going to take the shears. Whew, y'all pray for me. Now, I asked my friend how to do this, and she told me, just do it. And then I just FaceTimed her, and she didn't answer. So, oh my God, I'm gonna just do it. I just need to find out where, okay. I guess if I hold it here. See, y'all, I'm worried. I am worried that I'm gonna cut the wrong thing. Okay, do I have a comb? Yeah. My ear is right here. Just need to pin that back. Where are your friends who wear wigs all the time when you need them? Obviously, they're not around. Because I feel like I'm about to mess up some stuff. I did it, y'all. Okay, now I gotta do the other side. Let me not get too excited. Hold on. Nothing else worried me. Like, I got all the instructions on what to do, and this is the only part that I have been worried about, like, literally since day one. So close to that dang band strap. So close. But I didn't cut it. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. Okay, so the next scary thing is for me, because it may not be scary for you, but I don't like cutting stuff because, you know, if you cut too much, okay, sew it back together. They ain't gonna grow back. So don't cut too much. Yeah, I just poked myself in the eye. So I installed the wig myself, but I still see the lace right here. I need help. Sweet baby Jesus in the manger. And I cut too much lace on this side. Help.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I sent out my SOS message, and my friend who actually wears wigs was like, girl, you tripping. She was like, you did not cut too much. She was like, if anything, you didn't cut enough. So I didn't record it, but she did cut a little bit more of the lace off of it, which looks way better. So I thank you for her help. And then I started eating. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell. And can you please do me a huge favor and stay y'all asses in the house? I got stuff to do this summer, okay? So wash your hands and stop touching your face. See y'all next time. Bye.